In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins in your Mailchimp campaign editor effectively. Whether you're crafting a newsletter, promotional email, or any form of outreach, ensuring a well-aligned and visually pleasing design can drastically improve how your message is received. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your Mailchimp campaign editor. This is your starting point where you'll be able to see all your content pieces laid out. It might be a good moment to remind you to ensure that all your content is already in place, as this will help you make more precise adjustments when tweaking the margins later on. Now find and select the content block where you intend to make margin adjustments. Your content block is essentially the section of your email that you'd like to modify, be it an image, text, header, or anything else. Clicking on it will open up various settings options. Next, head over to the Style settings. This is the area that will allow you to make cosmetic changes to your selected block. Within the Style settings, you should see options for adjusting the margins or padding. These controls are what you'll use to create space around your content, making sure it doesn't look cramped or misaligned. As you adjust, you'll typically see options to modify the values for the top, bottom, left, or right margins. These settings help ensure that your content is spaced precisely as you want it to be. Taking the time to make these adjustments can greatly enhance the readability and overall look of your email. After you've set the margins to your liking, it's critical to preview your changes across various devices. Mailchimp provides a handy preview feature that allows you to see how your email will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This step is essential because what looks great on one device might not translate well to another, given the different screen sizes and layout orientations. Consistency is key to a professional-looking campaign, so take the time to ensure your adjustments appear as intended across the board. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your campaign. This is a crucial step as it ensures all your hard work is not lost. A simple but necessary action, saving your campaign solidifies your changes and gets you one step closer to launching your email into the world. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to adjust your margins effectively in Mailchimp and ensure your email campaigns look polished and professional. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.